Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to do the fifth question of exercise 9.1 7th grade CBSE NCERT Maths. Here PQRS is a parallelogram and QM and QN are the perpendiculars. QM is a perpendicular to the base SR and QN is a perpendicular to the base PS. Also given QM equal to 7.6 cm, SR equal to 12 cm and PS equal to 8 cm. Here first we have to find the area of this parallelogram, then length of QN. First let us find the area of this parallelogram. We know the formula for finding the area of a parallelogram is base into height. Here, which base and height can we take for finding the area? If we take the base PS, then we have to take the height QN because it is the height to the base PS. And if we take the base SR, we have to take the height QM. But here, length of QN is not given. So we will take the base SR and the height QM. So let us write base SR equal to 12 cm, height QM equal to 7.6 cm. Therefore, area of the parallelogram PQRS equal to base into height, that is equal to 12 cm into 7.6 cm. Now for multiplying 12 and 7.6, you ignore the decimal, that is we can multiply 76 with 12. Now we have to put the decimal. Since there is only one digit to the right of this decimal, after one digit from the right, we can put the decimal here. So 12 into 7.6, we get it as 91.2, that much centimeter square. This is the area of this parallelogram PQRS. Now let us go to the second part. Here we have to find the length of QN. What is QN here? Here it is the height to the base PS. And how we will find the length of QN? Do you remember the third question that already we have done? Here we can see, if we know the base and area of a parallelogram, then its height will be area of the parallelogram divided by base of the parallelogram. Using this, we can find the length of QN here. That is, QN will be equal to area of this parallelogram divided by base. Now what about the area here? That we got it as 91.2 centimeter square. That is, area is 91.2 centimeter square. And what about the base? Base is PS because QN is the height to the base PS. PS is here 8 centimeter. So let us write area of parallelogram PQRS equal to 91.2 centimeter square. Base, that is PS, equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore, height, that is QN, that is equal to area divided by base, that is equal to 91.2 centimeter square divided by 8 centimeter. Now let us divide 91.2 by 8. First take the first digit, that is 9, and 8 is less than 9. So in the table of 8, 8 ones are 8. So we can write 1 here, and when we subtract 8 from 9, it is 1. Now bring down this one. Now it is 11. So again we get 8 ones are 8. Subtracting, we get here 3. Next we have to bring down 2. Before that, since there is a decimal here, we have to put the decimal here and bring down 2. Now it is 32. So in the table of 8 we can get 4 8s are 32. Here the remainder is 0. That is 91.2 divided by 8, that is equal to 11.4. And here centimeter square divided by centimeter. Centimeter square means centimeter into centimeter. So we can cancel 1 centimeter. So we get 11.4 centimeter. Hence, we can write length of QN equal to 11.4 centimeter. So here area of this parallelogram is 91.2 centimeter square and length of QN is 11.4 centimeter. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.